Hi guys, David here again from Reviews for Dummies. Today I'm going to be reviewing a new product called Kickstart. If you're serious about affiliate marketing, you need to take a look at this. How many times do we hear affiliate marketers say that they have a list but nobody is buying from them? Other than the possibility of having low quality leads, many marketers have a list of buyer leads who do not purchase from them. And the reality is, it's how you treat your list that's important in generating income. Kickstart provides you the opportunity to give away a free affiliate marketing course of high quality and in-depth for everyone to grasp and gain value from. This product allows you to build credibility and trust with your leads so that you can actually build a relationship with them and then promote various offers to them. It doesn't matter how many you have on your list, because if you don't treat them right, they'll not be there for long. Most affiliate marketers fail as they do not provide value. Kickstart allows any affiliate marketer to do just that by providing immense value and getting the leads engaged. Talking about providing value, let me give you a quick look at the quality bonuses that the dummies have put together for you. When you click on the bonus below, the bonus button, you'll go into our bonus page, which will allow you to secure your copy of Kickstart and all the bonuses that the dummies have put together for you. But as you see there, we've got just under 4 days before these bonuses disappear. So we'll quickly go down to the bonuses. So bonus number 1 that the dummies have selected is called Access the 7-Minute System. It complements Kickstart very nicely and allows you to build your list so that you can market to them. Bonus number 2 is 4 ways to get instant design inspiration. So when you're designing your landing pages, etc., and you're stuck for a bit of inspiration, this just gives you a bit of food for thought. Bonus number 3, 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. So tips to make your emails for when you do build your list so that they have better returns. Bonus number 4, you get access to all the upsells from a secret product. Now this is only available for the first 12 hours, and then this bonus will be taken down. So I'd like to see you get that. So click on the button below, which will take you to this bonus page, or you can go straight to the sales page, which will also give you, you'll see here, bonus number 5 is the vendor bonuses. Now these vary depending on what level you buy into. So if I just go into the sales page, you'll see here the Kickstart sales page. Now this is for the entry level, for the front end. So this is Evelina, one of the creators, and she'll be going through a bit of what I've told you already about looking after your list and that sort of thing. So as you can see there, the price today is only $1, and that includes all the bonuses that the dummies give you, the 4 bonuses, and it also includes 2 bonuses that she mentions down here. Bonus number 1, which is to profit from Instagram, and they're actually both from Instagram. They're 2 different training courses, both beginner friendly courses for any new affiliate marketer, but certainly worthwhile for any marketer that's even been in the game for a little bit longer. So just to give you an idea, this just sort of tells you about how you treat your list and those sort of things. It's the usual sales blurb, but what I'll do is I'll just take you into, this is inside the dashboard once you sign up for Kickstart. So depending on the levels, you've got your video here, which is one of the other creators, which is Doug February, and he'll just do a bit of an intro on Kickstart and a bit of a welcome. So then if we go in, if you see down here, you've got your different levels. You've got Kickstart, you've got Kickstart Boost, Kickstart Pro, and then your bonuses. So if we just go into this is the front end, the $1 special, and it goes into, there's some video courses there on kickstart your income by building a list. and then how to explode your list. And then, as I say, there's those 2 bonuses that the vendor's providing. So even for $1, you're going to get these 2 bonuses, and you're going to get the 4 bonuses from the dummies that we've put together that complement Kickstart. But then on top of that, we've got our next level that we can go up. We can go up to Kickstart Boost. Okay, so Kickstart Boost gives you how to generate traffic from YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, Quora, doing solo ads from your email list, and then how to explode your income. These are all in depth. At the moment, they're locked because I can't actually get into this section. But then on top of that, you also get I think it's 5 bonuses when you buy into this level. So you actually get these 5 bonuses. But I noticed here that this bonus number 2 is actually unlocked. So the affiliate marketing for newbies. So if you're new to affiliate marketing, you can grab hold of this one as well, even if you'd get in for $1. So going back to Kickstart Pro. Now Kickstart Pro is getting into the nitty-gritty of building your list and setting up your website, and getting a custom domain and how to drive traffic to that domain. So you've got your various levels now. Now some of the upgrades, even with Kickstart Pro, if you haven't got the time to do it, there's an upgrade where they will set it all up for you. So they'll set up your website links and your domain and all of those sort of things. So if we just go in and have a look at, let me just go back here, the upsells. So here we've got the prices of the upsells. So you've got your entry here at $1, and that will still give you the 4 dummies bonuses plus the 2 from Kickstart. So, but it's only basic training, and it's a lot of, it gives you the ideas, and then you've got to go away and do it yourself. So going into the upsell, first upsell is $17 with a $12 downsell, and that is Kickstart Boost. And what that gives you is it gives you that extra training, and it gives you promotional packages for the banners for Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. The demos for YouTube, and what that does is it just allows you to boost that. But also, as soon as you go to this upsell, you get the 5 bonuses, not the 2 that you get with the front end. The next level up is Kickstart Pro. Now, Kickstart Pro is where I said before, where it shows you how to set up your website and all of those sort of things, and drive traffic to your website. So yeah, that's $37 with a $27 downsell. Upsell number 3 is Kickstart Elevate. What that gives you is 1 hour of one-on-one training with either Doug or Evelina to help you get started with that. And then, as I said before, you've got Kickstart Gold, which gives you this Pro version here, but for $197, they set it all up for you. So if you're stuck for time and those sort of things, they set everything up, and they still give you the one-on-one for 1 hour to get you going. And then, of course, upsell number 5, $137 with a $97 downsell, is the reseller's license. So you have the right to any revenue made right through the affiliate link, through every level, and they look after the dramas. They look after the customer support and the technical support, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. So some of the key benefits from Kickstart is it says, okay, no actual work. You make other people do the work for you. Well, you have the done for you pages, and then you can even have them, depending on what level you buy, you can have them set it up for you as well. Nothing ever takes no work. We all know that. But it's a unique software and training. It's 100% newbie friendly, and it's been proven profitable over and over again. And it works in any niche. So it works right now. All the traffic's built in. You can go in. Well, I won't go through. This is a training bit video here, which basically goes through what I said. Click on the link down below, and you can actually secure your copy and the bonuses. You can have a look at these videos, and you can take it from there. As I say, you get all these bonuses, and what level your business is at is purely up to you, or where you take this. Whether you're a newbie and just $1 a foot in the ground, whether you've got a lack of time or a lack of skill and you want someone to set it up for you, well, there's levels where you can do that as well. So as soon as you go into that, have a look, click on the link down below. Be really great if you click on the subscribe button and the bell, and you can see any further videos that we have as soon as they become available, so that you can get the special bonuses before they expire. So thank you for watching. As I say, click on the link below to get the amazing bonuses. And as I say, click on the supply. Running someone else's teeth in. Click on the subscribe button, and you'll see more reviews from the dummies. Once again, thank you, and we'll see you on the next video.